are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Okay, so when we built this studio, that door lately doesn't latch. We got to just tweak it a little bit. So like Hope's here right now, but normally I'll be on blah, 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 blah. I'll be filming, right? She'll just push the door open because it doesn't latch. And it comes swinging wide open. I'm like, that's kind of creepy. But so I will have to trap her in here while I'm filming, or she'll push the door open. Watch. Hold on, we're going to do an experiment. Tammy, you want to put her out there and close the door? Watch, she doesn't do it. The one time I'm talking about it. Out. Thank you, girl. Good girl. Okay. All right. There you go. Like clockwork. That's a good girl.
That's the wood is shrunk because it's so cold.
Yeah, it's really cold. It's going to be cold tonight. It might snow. We're going to warm your heart with a dessert, which you've asked for. An Amish dessert. It's called Shoo Fly Pie. I know you've heard of it. I've never seen it before, but I've heard of it. So we're going to do Shoo Fly Pie right now. All right, guys. So basically, this is kind of it. Let's run down everything. Either the recipe down below will have real brown sugar in the recipe. I'm using a brown sugar substitute. Either one you can use. This isn't just molasses. This is, what is it again? Unsulphured molasses. I had to buy this at the Amish store. Go figure. They had it. Cinnamon, salt, some flour, some baking soda, an egg, butter, pie crust. You can make your own pie crust if you want. Not into that. Just buy the 9-inch one or buy this one. All right, so let's get started. All right, some of you bought a pie crust already formed and everything. We got the sheet of pie crust, the round where you press it in. I think Tammy did a great job crinkling the edges, and so now it's all ready. We prepared the pie tin. Now get your salt and cinnamon, flour, brown sugar, and butter. We're going to do the crumble topping first. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to work on is the crumble topping. We're going to make it, put it off to the side till we're ready to put it all together, okay? So we're going to start off with some flour. Brown sugar. Okay. This is salt, and cinnamon is optional. I always think you can't hurt yourself with cinnamon, no matter what you put it in. You can put it in eggs, you can put it in anything. So we're putting it in this dish. Okay. And then to make this crumbly and clumpy, we got some butter. It's not fully defrosted. It's still cool. So it'll be clumpy as we spread it around. Hold on a minute. There we go. Okay. Then Tammy's going to come over and squeeze everything and get it all mixed together. And then we'll put it off to the side, okay? So get it all incorporated. That's your crumble topping. So mix it real well. Baking soda, water, the molasses, 1 large egg. Okay? So we're going to microwave this, get it boiling, dump the baking soda and dissolve in the water. Pour this and this in here. And that's going to be scrambled. Okay? We'll do that in a minute. But let's get the water boiling first. Now, before you mix this all together, go preheat your oven at 400. This is kind of like chest pie. We go 400 for a few minutes, then we drop it 50 degrees, and then we cook the rest of the way at 350. I'll explain that in a minute. For right now, we're going to get this into the hot water. So we're going to pour this in first. And as you can see, not all of it comes out. So there we go. All right. And the last step. Okay, do me a favor, Tammy. Can you slowly pour that in when I mix? There we go. I don't want it to cook up too fast. There we go. Perfect. Thank you. All right. First thing you want to do is bring the pie crust over. Pour this in. So the next thing, you got the mixture, the filling in. Now we're going to put the crumb topping on top. Keep going. All right. As soon as we get all that crumb mixture on top, as you can see, it's floating. It's going to sit right on top. You're going to cook for 10 minutes at 400. Then go down to 350 and cook 20 to 30 minutes. Then pull your pie out and let it cool. Okay, guys, this came out beautiful. I could just sit here for a good 30 minutes, but we're not going to wait that long. We're going to let it cool. Then we're going to cut it. It came out really good. Okay, it's time to cut into it. It's been sitting out for about an hour. Go ahead. All cool. Now, you've had this before?
When I was like in 8th grade.
Oh, 8th grade?
Yeah.
Well. Ew. Okay, so go ahead and give that a try. And tell me if it's what you remember it to be.
Yep.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Like, you'll take it to work good?
Yeah, it's good. You can taste the brown sugar. You can taste the cinnamon. You can taste the molasses. It's really good.
Wow. All right. There you go, guys. That's the second dessert. Shoo Fly Pie. And next week, we do what? Scrapple?
Yeah.
I thought that was a game. But anyway, we're doing Scrapple next week. That is the most famous Amish dish. This is number 2. So, anyway, I love you. See you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.